Azure Cloud. Okay, so what are the things you need to have? One credit card is required, one valid email ID, okay, and mobile number. Yeah, these are the three things that you require to create a Azure free for 12 months. Okay, so where to create, actually how to create? So the link to create a new Azure account is portal.azure.com. okay, you may ask whether we need a Azure cloud account for Azure DevOps account. Absolutely no. Okay, but sometimes from Azure DevOps we need to have some infrastructure. Okay, so for infrastructure like servers, definitely we need to have one server. Okay, that servers they are going to take from Azure cloud. Okay, so in other cases Azure DevOps does not require Azure cloud accounts. Okay, this is a link actually, portal.azure.com. Just follow this link. Here you can see something like use another account. Okay, just click on create one. Okay, so submit all the details like your account name, password, credit card details like validity, CVV, and other details you can provide. Okay, so within no time your account is activated. Within no time your account is activated. Okay, so once your account is activated, so directly you can log in into this Azure portal, Azure cloud portal, by saying portal.azure.com, and this is my account. Okay, this is your Azure cloud home page. Okay, so here we have many places to create services here, and from here also you can go to Azure DevOps. Okay, so Azure DevOps organizations. Are you seeing Azure DevOps organization? This is one place. Okay, so directly also you can go to Azure DevOps. Okay, so the direct link is dev.azure.com. This is another link to go to Azure DevOps account. This is to go to Azure account. This is Azure cloud account. And dev.azure.com, this is URL for directly going into Azure DevOps portal. Okay, so like this, these are the two places from where you can directly start your Azure DevOps portal. So from next session onwards, that will be regular sessions. Okay, by next session you better create your Azure account. Okay, so Azure account is purely optional. Okay, so for practicing Azure DevOps portal, Azure account is purely optional. Okay, directly you can log in into this portal by using dev.azure.com URL. And but in case of release pipelines, we need to have servers. But at that time, you need to have Azure cloud for creating servers. Okay, this is valid for 12 months. and this is for 3 months only. Azure DevOps is valid for 3 months only. Within 3 months, you can learn everything. Okay. So in the first 1 month, if you are creating this Azure cloud account, in the first 1 month, you are going to get $200. This is only for consuming your resources. This is not hot cash. Okay. So you can use this amount for using your virtual servers. Okay. Networking, load balancer. Okay, many things, many infrastructure you can create by this. This is valid for, will be credited in your account. Okay, it is valid for 1 month. Okay, if you don't use this $200 from second month onwards, okay, you cannot use this $200 from second month onwards. Your plan is changed to pay as you go. That means this is just like your electricity bill. How much you are using, that much you have to pay. Okay. So by Friday, all of you, you create Azure Cloud account and also this one, Azure dev.azure.com. Okay. So how to create this Azure portal, Azure DevOps portal? Just have a look. This is my dev.azure.com, right? Okay. Here also, are you seeing one? This is for the persons who is having account already and are using not free. Okay, you can log in. You can create account from here onwards. Start free. Okay, so already I am in account. In my account, that is why directly it has taken me to my account. Okay, in your case, okay, it is going to ask you, okay, with which email ID you wanted to log in. You have to specify one email ID, and within no time your dev.azure.com Azure portal account is created. Okay. Now, still, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, by Friday onwards, we are going to start our regular sessions. So today, just have joined how to join you to show how you can create Azure DevOps account. Okay. So if any queries and any questions are there, you can ask me. I will answer. So if you did not attend previous sessions, collect demo session recording from DURGASOFT training team. Okay, front office people, they will provide you. They will provide demo session recordings, Azure DevOps recordings.
So will you discuss any scripting in this Azure DevOps to automate few of the tasks in this course, Shiva Kumar?
Most of the times we are going to use the classic editor. Okay, for that you no need to have any scripting. But when you are deploying your pipelines, you need to have YAML knowledge. YAML scripting we are going to use.
So you will, because I don't know anything about YAML pipelines and YAML things and all.
Okay, nobody knows YAML. Okay, so we will have one section on YAML. Okay.
Okay.
Because YAML is new to everyone. Okay, nobody knows YAML. Okay, so we are going to, most of the times we spend on classic editor. Okay, so I'm going to show how you can create build and release pipelines by using YAML files also.
So CA pipeline means from starting to end of the delivery. So that is the Jdbc.
In the very beginning class, I told everything. In the very beginning class, I have discussed the whole CA pipeline. Okay, what is CA pipeline? What is build pipeline? what is release pipeline, entire things I told in the very beginning class. That is why I am asking you to collect demonstration recordings from DURGASOFT front office people.
Hi, Anand.
Because you missed
Can you
the
tell
first
me?
class, right?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you tell me how many session is over till it?
2 sessions. The main
great.
session is Azure DevOps session only. That was done day before yesterday.
Okay.
That is a major session.
So,
okay. So you can collect a recording of that section.
okay. Okay.
The entire things like what is DevOps and what is Azure DevOps and what is the difference between generic DevOps and Azure DevOps and what is CI/CD pipeline. Okay, what is the importance of Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, so entire things I have discussed on that session. And as a part of this course, we are providing Docker and Kubernetes at free of cost. That is 4 weeks session. Okay, 4 weeks Docker and Kubernetes, 4 weeks Azure DevOps. Totally it comes around 8 weeks.
Okay. Within the 8 means you are going to cover all the syllabus, right? Within 8 weeks, you are going to cover our syllabus. It means
Yes,
Azure
8 weeks within.
DevOps
Yeah,
with
within
Docker
8
Kubernetes.
within 8 weeks. Yeah, within 8 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks for Azure DevOps, 4 weeks for Docker and Kubernetes.
Okay. So, do you have any content? So,
are
what
these
are
classes
things you are
Monday
going
to
to cover?
Friday or?
Monday to Friday.
Okay, there are no classes on Saturday, Sunday, right?
No classes on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Do you have any content so we can see that which are topic you are going to cover within?
Yeah, already I have given course contents to the training DURGASOFT front office people. From them you can collect. Just ask them, they will provide you. Because everything I have handed over to DURGASOFT front office people. They will provide you.
Okay.
Regarding Docker and Kubernetes course content and Azure DevOps course content. Okay, so all things I have handed over to DURGASOFT training front office people. Directly you can collect from them.
Actually, how we are going to contact with DURGASOFT management? So, do you have any mobile number? Because I have called today and yesterday also. So, people is not going to pick up in the call.
So if one person is there, contact person Bhavani. Okay, her name is her mobile number is 8897771179. This is our contact number. Bhavani. And one more number is there. Okay, I will give that number also. Yeah, because we are providing 2 courses at one course fees cost. Okay, Docker and Kubernetes is very it is just like hot cake nowadays because okay, one more number I am giving 888 52 52 627. You can call to either first number or second number. Any number is okay.
Are you going to any real-time project complete in this session? Any plan for this? Also,
Actually, no DevOps engineers will be having projects. We will be working on assignments, and we are going to take one visual base ASP.NET project. Okay, so using that project, we are going to create build and release pipelines. That is a real-time project. Means we are going to create one project ASP.NET project. Okay, using that project, so we are going to perform all the activities like building artifacts. Okay, integrating that with SonarQube. Okay, so using the artifacts in the release pipeline. Okay, we are going to publish the artifacts into release pipeline. Okay, those many things we are going to do. Okay, by taking one Visual Basic, we are going to take one ASP.NET web application from Visual Studio 2019 IDE.
okay.
So here you can contact these two people. Have you seen the numbers?
Yeah, I
sent it
have
to
noted
every.
down from the notepad.
Yes.
Yeah, I have noted down from notepad what we are looking
Okay.
in the
Okay.
sharing
Okay.
screen.
Okay. No problem. So here, if no questions are there, I will stop it for today. So we will meet on Monday. By Monday, you complete all the formalities. Okay. Like payment of fees and create Azure accounts. Okay, we are going to start directly practical sections from Monday, from Friday onwards.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you. Thanks
Okay.
for your time.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.